Looking for a classic car project? We found 11 classic cars for sale, starting as low as $700. Whether you're hunting for a muscle car, a vintage cruiser, or a restoration project, there's something here for you. From a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro to a 1962 Buick Electra 225, these affordable classics could be your next dream build. 1. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe 2D, $1,000, Bonifay, Florida. A 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme project car priced at $1,000. It features its original 307 V8 engine, though it currently lacks a carburetor. The car has a decent interior and complete trim, but rust is present where the vinyl top once was. The seller includes an Alabama title and prefers to sell the car whole rather than parting it out. It must be towed due to its current non-running condition. Two. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $1,300, Nashville, Arkansas. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Roller is a solid project car priced at $1,300 or best offer. It has a straight body with the interior completely stripped. The car features welded doors, a quick connect steering wheel, racing seats, and a roll bar. A great starting point for a race or drag build. Clean title included. 3. 1972 Plymouth Scamp, $1,700, Colonial Beach, Virginia. A 1972 Plymouth Scamp roller project car available for $1,700. This former slant 6 car has a V8 K-frame and a cut and narrowed 8 3/4 rear axle, axles included but no center section. The body needs work, including floor patches, but the frame remains solid with tied subframes. The car is mini-tubbed but lacks wheel tubs. Comes with a complete dashboard and all wiring. Clean Virginia title. Four. 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, $2,500, Knoxville, Tennessee. A 1977 Cadillac Coupe DeVille restoration project priced at $2,500. The car runs and drives, but needs some fuel system attention due to sitting for a while. The power windows, wipers, and light switch still function. Interior and exterior are rough, but it's a solid candidate for restoration. 2 sets of keys included. Clean title. Five. 1975 Pontiac Catalina, $2,000, Wellford, South Carolina. A 1975 Pontiac Catalina project car featuring a 400 big block engine with only 4,000 original miles, priced at $2,000. The car has 4 brand new tires and comes with 7 rally wheels, some with rings and caps. Numerous new engine parts are installed with receipts available. However, there is no title and the entire car must be taken as a package. 1977 Ford Granada, Warren, Pennsylvania. A 1977 Ford Granada Coupe with a 250 inline-6 engine, priced at $2,000. The car starts and runs but requires work, including a new master cylinder included, a gas tank, new Dorman tank provided, and a brake switch, also included. The seller has not owned it long and is open to offers or trades. 7. 1967 Chrysler Newport, $2,500, Chesterton, Indiana. This 1967 Chrysler Newport 4-door sedan is available for $2,500. The engine runs but was removed to paint the car, and the project remains unfinished. The body is solid, making it an ideal restoration candidate. The seller is firm on the price. 8. 1963 Ford Galaxie 2-door hardtop, $2,200, Parsons, Tennessee. A 1963 Ford Galaxie 2-door hardtop available for $2,200. This mostly complete project car includes the engine, transmission, and rear end, missing wheels, tires, grille, and some trim. The interior is present but needs restoration. No title, bill of sale only. Located in Western Tennessee. 9. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair, $700, Hiddenite, North Carolina. Two 1964 Chevrolet Corvairs for sale together as a package for $700. Both cars retain all reusable parts, and one features white leather seats in good condition. They have been garage kept, and the seller is open to offers. Must be bought together. 10. 1963 Ford Falcon Wagon Deluxe, $2,000, Vine Grove, Kentucky. A 1963 Ford Falcon two-door wagon priced at $2,000. It has an inline-six engine and a 3-speed transmission. The car has been sitting since the 1980s and needs floor pans along with rust repair on the fenders and driver's door. No title, but a 1962 four-door Falcon wagon is included for parts. The seller is open to trades, particularly for shop tools, trailers, Mustangs, Ford Super Duty trucks, or Jeep Cherokees and Wranglers. 11. 1962 Buick Electra 225, $1,500, Hudson. This 1962 Buick Electra 225 is priced at $1,500. It has no engine but remains otherwise complete. A great project car for restoration or customization. Clean title included.